Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 3 Module 4 Lesson 9 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, use the grid to answer the questions below. Alright, so our first question, A, says, draw a line to divide the grid into two equal rectangles. Shade in one of the rectangles that you created. So two equal why I keep saying triangles. Two equal rectangles mean two rectangles that have the same area. So let's see. We can kind of tell this is the middle part. So we split it right down the middle. We know now that they are both equal since it's down the middle. We can shade in one of the rectangles we created. So we just lightly shade one half of it in. And that'd be all. Now B says label the side lengths of each rectangle. So the first rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 units over here. And then over here it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Now this rectangle, since it's equal, this part would also be 4 units. And this side would also be 8 units. Now it says write an equation to show the total area of the two rectangles. So it's asking for the area of the whole grid, not just one rectangle, the whole entire grid. So area is length times width. So we need to do 8 times 4 to find the area of one rectangle. But since we're looking for the area of both rectangles, we do 8 times 4 plus 8 times 4. Because 8 times 4 is for the first rectangle, and the other 8 times 4 is for the second rectangle. So 8 times 4 is 32. We have 32 plus 32, which is equal to 64. So 64 is our answer. Next page. For 2, Alexa cuts out the two equal rectangles from problem 1A and puts the two shorter sides together. So draw Alexa's new rectangle and label the side lengths below. So we know our previous one was an 8x4. So we put the shorter sides together. She kind of like moved it that way, so the shorter sides. So we can think of it this way. This is our first rectangle, and she put the shorter sides side by side. So now this is where our second rectangle goes. This is the new rectangle that she created. So this side, our original one was 4 by 8. So this side will still remain the same. 4 units, 4 units. But each side was 8. So now that we've connected this would be one whole side, which means 8 plus 8 is 16. So here is 16 units. The opposite side would also be 16 units. So we label the side lengths. Now find the total area of the new longer rectangle. So the new rectangle is 16 by 4. So do 16 times 4. And 16 times 4, that will give us 10 times 4 is 40, and 6 times 4 is 24. 40 plus 24 is 64. So our answer would be 64. So that is our new area of the longer rectangle. We can erase the line in the middle to show it's one rectangle. Alright, and C says, is the area of the new longer rectangle equal to the total area in problem 1C? Explain why or why not. So yes, this rectangle is the same area as our previous rectangle because we were still using the same rectangle, but we were just rearranging it. But it's still like the same like rectangle. So we can write yes. It is equal to the area in problem 1C because it was still the same rectangle. We were just rearranging the parts. That's basically the main idea. We just like look at it another way, basically. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!